Welcome to Widiopedia, the world's first video encyclopedia. Roald Amundsen, full name is Roald Engelbregt Gravning Amundsen, is a traveler, explorer, and a multiple record breaker from Norway. He is famous as the first person who actually reached the South Pole. This significant event happened on December 14, 1911, when Amundsen was 39 years old. Also, he was the first person who visited both geographic poles of the Earth. His expedition in 1926 was globally recognized as the first to reach the North Pole. Traversing both the Northwest Passage and the Northeast Passage is among his most outstanding achievements too. The first was pioneered by Amundsen's team in 1906, and in 1918 the explorer set out on his expedition along the shores of Siberia, which ended 3 years later and became the second successful passage along this route in the history. It is also interesting that Amundsen was one of the first explorers who made Arctic trips using seaplanes and dirigible balloons. Roald Amundsen died in 1928, during searching for the polar expedition of Umberto Nobile, which suffered a wreck. For his outstanding achievements, many geographic locations were named in his honor. For example, a crater opened in 1964 at the South Pole of the Moon was named after him. Thank you for watching. You can find and upload your own scientific videos at our website widiopedia.com.